Start in mountain pose. Find a fixed point in front of you and stare at it to help you balance. As you inhale, shift the weight into your left foot and lift your right foot an inch off the floor. Using your right hand, bring the foot to your shin or inner thigh. Avoid placing your foot directly on the knee. As you exhale, ground through the standing leg and lengthen through the crown of your head. Bring your palms to touch in front of your sternum into prayer hands. This pose helps improve concentration and your ability to balance by strengthening the arches of the feet and the outer hips.